just keep it on this paper for right now. Okay, Jordan, so I'm going to do number 1 with you. Number 1 on the paper, first of all, you're going to want your paper set up like this. You have a column that says original, a column that says the amount of change, a column that says new price, percent of change, and in this column we're going to show our work. Number 1 says the problem is 50 is decreased to 19. So we write a 50 in the original column because that was our original price, and it says it's decreased to 19. So our decrease to 19 means that our new price is 19. To find the amount of change, we take 50 minus 19, which gives us 31. Okay, now to find the percent of change, the formula is the amount of change divided by the original. So over here, we do 31 divided by 50. When you put that in your calculator, you get 0.62. It's not a percent yet, it's still a decimal. To make a decimal a percent, we move the decimal 2 places to the right. So our percent of change is 62%. And we're going to do number 2. Number 2 says 25 is increased by 80%. 25 is our original. They did not tell us an amount of change. They did not tell us a new price. But they did tell us that our percent of change is 80%. So we've got to work backwards to fill in these two. So I can come over here and I can plug certain pieces of information into my formula. I do not know an amount of change, but I do know my original, which was 25. And I do know my percent of change, which is 80. I can't put 80 here because it has to be converted to a decimal. So now to work backwards to figure out what x is, this says some number divided by 25 will give me 0.80. To undo that, I multiply these two. So 25 times 0.80 would give me 20. And since x stands for my amount of change, the 20 goes here. The problem said that it was increased by 20. So if the original is 25, it's increased by 20. My answer is 45. Be sure to set your table up with each of these columns on a separate sheet of paper. Your largest column should be the show your work column. And then we'll check these tomorrow. You're going to do 1 through 19. Have a good day.